Happy Vlogmas day 15. So it's early morning and I actually had a terrible night last night. It has been raining non-stop, like torrential rain, and for whatever reason sometimes when it rains like that the barometric pressure fluxes. I could not sleep at all last night. I had a very restless night, but I feel fairly rested, so bear with me. But this morning I wanted to come on here because I just put on my base layer of Elsa MD UV Sport all over my face, my neck, my ears. And I've been using the Exuviance Tinted Sunscreen for iron oxides on top. People ask me why I don't put that all over my face. It's expensive, so I don't really use it as my sunscreen. I really just use it kind of to brighten up my face and to give areas of hyperpigmentation a little bit of extra protection from visible light. But in lieu of that, this morning I wanted to share with you guys the sunscreen you all have been asking me about that I have. I don't know how they want you to say it. Titanium trioxide, which, you know, I'm tempted to say Tizo. This is a tinted sunscreen that is zinc and titanium dioxide. The percentages of titanium and zinc don't like obsess over that. It really doesn't matter because it varies substantially between product to product as far as how the product is formulated. If you know, as far as like the consistency of the cream, what inactive ingredients are in the sunscreen, the size of the zinc, the size of titanium, whether or not the particles are coated, some of the other inactive ingredients together. So, you know, long story short, looking at the percentage of zinc titanium dioxide, it doesn't really tell you anything. Just look for broad spectrum. You want SPF anywhere between 30 to 50 ideally. Higher is kind of technically better simply because consumers just don't put enough sunscreen on to get to the SPF on the bottle. Everybody, you know, people frequently comment in the comments of my videos, oh my god, she's putting on so much sunscreen, isn't that obsessive? Well, I mean, if you actually want to achieve sun protection, and no, that's really how much you're supposed to be putting on. But I go a little more light-handed with the tinted sunscreens because they tend to be more expensive. This one, so this one's zinc titanium, so it's mineral only, and it is in contrast to the Color Science Mineral Face Shield, and in contrast to the Exuviance sunscreen, this one is a cream-based vehicle, whereas those are really liquidy lotions. So this one comes out a lot thicker, and I'll show you guys. The tint is when it comes out, you're like, whoa, that's definitely going to be too dark for my skin tone here. Just come up here. Make the camera work for us. Work it, baby, work it. See how dark it is? But it melts on kind of like butter and just dissolves into the skin into a sheer tint. Do you see that? It's like magic. It was pretty dark and now it's just, it really does feel like butter. I mean, now that I'm vegan, I don't come in contact with butter anymore, but I used to do a fair amount of holiday baking with butter. And this feels like you're creaming butter. It feels just like butter on your skin. It's kind of nice. It just blends right in there. See, I don't know, maybe when I edit the footage I'll be like, actually there is a striking tint on Dray. What were you talking about? But there's really, I mean, it really dries quite sheer and it's very moisturizing. This, unlike the Color Science one, the Exuviance one, I haven't experienced this either. This will stain stuff, so you kind of have to be careful in that regard. Oh my gosh, can you hear that rain coming down out there? It's been nonstop. It's like Noah's Ark. But it does kind of feel like you have butter on your skin. It's not so much that it's greasy or heavy. It's very lightweight. It's almost like you have whipped margarine, I should say. Yeah, I can't believe it's not butter on my face. That's sort of what it feels like. But I'm just going to come on over with a little of my Color Science 3-in-1 eye to brighten up my periorbital area to the night I had last night. Although I feel very rested, like I slept, but I know I didn't. You know when you're like laying there and you're like, I've been laying here for 2 hours. I'm not sleeping. This is useless. I should just get up and do something. That's how I felt last night. Some of you were asking me about some of these tinted sunscreens settling in the cracks and crevices and creases. I don't notice that with either the Color Science one or the Exuviance one. The one that really did do that, that was the Physicians Formula Tinted BB Cream that I tried out for you guys. That one would kind of settle throughout the day, I noticed. That one I don't believe was water resistant. I can't remember, but yeah, that's that. So anyways, I need to get some coffee in my system, and hopefully this rain calms down today. So I've got my little cinnamon ornaments hanging on my tree, but I'm kind of disappointed. They don't put off a whole lot of cinnamon odor, to be honest. Maybe it's because the cinnamon I used was on its last legs of being close proximity to expiration. I think the cinnamon does lose its potency with time. Talk about a watch pot never boiling. I'm cheating on Bustelo. I'm gonna do a Starbucks Via, and I'm gonna kick it up a notch with some cordyceps. Cordyceps, peppermint, rosehip, licorice, and stevia. This is a good one. This actually tastes good in hot chocolate too. TG. Okay, candle update. This is the candy cane lane that I got at the Yankee Candle Outlet. I am sorely disappointed. You guys gave me fair warning that it could be a dud given it was from the outlet, and you were correct. It is a dud. It is as though I'm just burning plain paraffin. So Candle Bougie, 198 grams. You are not. Does that really say Candle Bougie? Yeah, this was a disappointment. It really has no fragrance whatsoever. And power went out last night, so there's the mystery of time. Bah humbug. Yeah, the power went out twice yesterday. Once while I was at the gym and I was running on the treadmill. That was fun. There's nothing like going along at a merry pace and then all of a sudden having your run come to a halting stop. It was a little unsettling, kind of whiplash inducing. And then you kind of have to sit there in the dark for about 2 or 3 minutes while everything gets fired back up again. So that was a pleasant experience. And then it went out again several hours later, but major first world problems. Ew, I'm running in the gym and I have to stand for 5 minutes because the power goes out. There are areas in the world where there's no electricity or clean running water, so be grateful. It's the season of gratitude. But yeah, that Tizzy sunscreen looks pretty good, I think. It kind of gives you a nice glowy dew. I don't know. I always look dewy because of the humidity. I always look like I've come out of a sweatshop. Promise of a free tote.
Hi everybody, happy weekend.
My mom is not ready to be filmed yet. She's not ready for her close-up. Have you guys ever done these Queen Helene masks? They're bentonite. This one I think is a bentonite clay mask, but they have obviously fragrance in them. But people always ask me about them. I can't really say. Oh, that's not good. Walnut shell powder. Yeah, skip that. Scrubs are no good. How about the volcanic ash mask? Yeah, that one, if they left the fragrance out, that would be okay. Look guys, they have Hada Labo here. I've never tried the anti-aging hydrator. I think this is probably just a lightweight moisturizer. Yeah.
Children's clothing.
We're over here in Ross because the take a tag from a giving tree in our community, and my child wants a backpack, and I'm having a hard time finding backpacks this time of year. But is it just me, or is baby alive everywhere? Everywhere I look, I see a baby alive. Snacking noodles, baby? Whoa, it mukbangs. Ooh, they have Hatchimals here. And they also have, I'm kind of in love with these little fingerlings. They're sort of cute, little monkey. Oh, look at the mini princess. Looks like fun. All right, calm down. This is for the child, not for you. Oh, how cool is this? These little people are cute. This is kind of a nice gift set. This Ellen Tracy robe and cozy little socks and a body oil and a face mask, sleeping mask. I would enjoy all of that except the oil. It's probably just perfume. Oh, Daisy Fuentes has nail polish. I wonder if that's any good. Academy of Color. Oh, he's sweet. You nuke him in the microwave and he heats you up. That's kind of cute. How sweet is that? A little jar. Well, I lucked out in Ross and got a backpack, but my mom is ready to be shown on camera. I don't know why this morning she wasn't, but
We've done something drastic.
she
That's
cut her
why
hair.
I was a little nervous about showing everybody.
I think it looks really good.
I'm much happier with it. It's
Yeah.
so much easier. This is part one. I guess I'll let you know what part two might be. After 40 years of coloring my hair, I'm gonna let it go natural. So we'll see how that goes.
I'm sure it'll be fine. When was the last time you colored your hair?
Let's see. It was probably the first week in December.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and normally I go every 6 weeks. So,
Okay.
yeah. It's liberating not to be tied onto that anymore.
Well, it looks really cute, the cut.
The cut, yeah, and I'm just not sure. I'm comfortable with short hair. 'Cause
You can
know I
always dye
had short
it,
hair.
you know, if you get
I can
freaked
go
out.
back,
Yeah.
yeah.
But it's
so
on the vlog now, so you're committed.
I'm committed, and so just don't think that Dr. Dray has gotten herself a new mom, because I'm the same one, #1 fan.
You used to have your hair that short when I was little
Then
for a
you
long,
never
long,
liked
long
it
time.
either.
Well, they didn't do as nice a job as this
Well-
woman did. She did a very good job.
Thanks.
Looks cute.
It does. It's fun to do something different.
Yeah.
Okay. Phew, I'm glad we crossed that bridge.
So we came over here to this vegan restaurant called Field of Greens. I haven't been here in a long time, but what'd you get? Looks good.
This is the quinoa veggie loaf
Mm.
with grilled spinach and asparagus on top.
Does it have some kind of sauce on it?
Yeah, I think so. Did it say on the thing what the sauce was?
Oh yeah. Loaf action. Cool. And you got a salad?
A salad and filtered water.
Yeah, I like these cups.
Yeah, they're nice.
They're like melamine. Is that how you say that? Melamine.
I think they're ceramic.
Yeah.
Do you have my fork over there on your side?
Oh, sorry. And I got a tofu burger. It's just tofu with avocado and what else? I think that's a portobello, maybe? I'm not sure. And a side salad. And this is some sort of vegan dressing. This is Ezekiel sprouted bun. How's your salad?
Good. I like it because they put onion on it.
Yeah.
That doesn't usually happen.
So we're back at my mom's. Lunch was fantastic. My mom is not the only one, however, who got a haircut. Tybee, you want to show everybody your new do? Tybee! Tybee Bo! Tybee. Hey, everybody.
Oops.
Chasing my tail.
Show everybody, you got a haircut too. We both went to the beauty parlor.
He looks like a completely different dog.
No, Tybee
He's a
dog.
little boy.
Good boy.
Come here. Come show off your do. Oh, sit pretty. Nice boy. That's a nice little boy.
Good boy, cousin Paul. What did you do while we were gone? Were you a good boy? I hope so.
Aren't I sweet? Aren't I sweet?
That's the main reason I have his t-shirt on is because it's, you know, he's got no fur now. He's got no fur.
So here's the backpack I went ahead and got. My little Secret Santa giving tree person. I'm gonna stuff it with treats, but I thought it was nice. It's Columbia. It has a laptop compartment. The child is 12 years of age, so I figured something simple like this would carry them through middle school, and it was neutral enough to not be embarrassing. But for myself, look what I got at Michael's. My mom actually got this for me for a little Advent treat. It is the these are the Prismacolor coloring pencils you guys were recommending. And we were able to use the 40% off coupon, unlike most things at Michael's, which don't qualify for their coupons. This was a good one. So, and then I purchased the corresponding special pencil sharpener to go with it. So I'm all set to color my Mary Englebright coloring book. I'm really looking forward to that. Little boy. But look what my mom snagged. I'm just about to make a cup.
Winter spice.
Ooh, so my mom got some holiday winter spice Twinings tea. This is a black tea, caffeine free. Ooh,
no,
cinnamon.
It's herbal. It's
Ooh,
herbal.
I'm gonna have to try that at some point.
It's very apple-y.
Apple, savory cinnamon, cardamom, and clove sticks. Oh, that sounds really good. But she also snagged, and I'm brewing up a cup here, of the Cranberry Vanilla Wonderland. I'm really excited for this. You found this at Randall's.
Randall's.
I looked at Randall's and I didn't see them. And she also got, you've tried the Sugar Cookie Sleigh Ride? You like it?
I tried both of them, and I like this one better.
You like this one
because
better?
this is kind of syrupy. I don't know how
It is
or
pretty
why.
sweet. Yeah, it is. It doesn't have any sugar or stevia
that's
in
why
it. Yeah.
I'm mystified by why it's syrupy.
And double jelly. Hers came with these cute tins. Ugh, I need to go over there, get some. I want this now. Why I need this, I don't. You know what I need this for? My ornament hooks. Oh yes, I found a reason to buy this. My ornament hooks. Yeah.
You can have those, Jovi. I don't need more tins.
Do they have other flavors of the?
I think they had the other one, the peppermint sleigh ride. But I didn't want to get. And then they've got some that are more just the usual.
Somebody's waiting for a carrot. You better get on that.
I just gave him one.
Oh, he wants another one.
That's not recording.
Look at him.
Voice, is it?
Look at him. Carrot? Steamed carrot?
Oh, me likey.
Yeah, we give them to him steamed so that he can swallow them safely. You always do a little curtsy. Mother Ginger back there. This is quite good. The cranberry vanilla. What are you doing? I told her I was going to close out the vlog and she decided to turn into a poop and fay back there. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.